What is she leaning against? She is leaning against the wall. Since when have you worked here?
I have worked here since January 1st.
What do you do after work?
I go home after work.
Is anyone here besides him?
No, no one else is here besides him.
Can you go without me?
No, I cannot go without you.
How long will you stay? I will stay until evening.
Where are you driving? I am driving to my doctor's clinic.
Did he contact you? Yes, he sent me a message. Where is the cat running? The cat is running around the table.
Why are you saving money?
I am saving money because I want to buy a new car.
Where is the store? The store is across from the town hall. Does he take breaks? No, he works without taking breaks.
Where does the sunlight shine?
Sunlight shines through the window.
Where is she going? She is going to her friend's house.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from work.
Where are they traveling? They are traveling to London. Who do you work for? I work for my uncle. What do you drink water from? I drink water from a bottle.